Hey guys, so I'm about to make this carrot stew, courtesy Ife's Kitchen and the rest of them. This is the carrots. I have carrots. I have shombo. I have tatashi. There's onions in here, and there is of course red bell pepper atarodo for that hotness. And I'm just going to cook this, and I'll just allow this steam for some time, so when I'm blending it will be easier to blend. This is an oversight, ignore it, but I'll let it be. So this is more like a vegetable stew. I tried it the first time and I really enjoyed, and so I said, why not, let me repeat the process again today. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll take you guys through the process. Hopefully after this, I'm going to blend smooth, and then I'm going to fry my stew. It's very easy, pretty much easy, but tastes really nice. You should try it if you're here too, especially now that things are so expensive. When I mean things, I'm even talking about tomato. Tomato is so expensive, guys. Like, I wanted to buy tomato, but I just let it and just said, you know what, I would rather repeat the carrot stew that I did last 2 weeks. And this carrot was just for 300 naira or so, 500 naira. Can't really remember, but quite affordable, and it is a lot though. Yeah, so let's just put this on the fire and allow it to cook for some time. Wow. You guys, this smells really nice. Like, it's giving my house one amazing smell, and I love it. I really love it. So I'll just allow the water to dry, and then I'll start blending. Yeah. Mm.